Abstract. The purpose of the Educational and Production Center is to master modern technology for the production of mobile residential buildings and the production of budget furniture, also training specialists for installation and assembly of manufactured products. The manufactured products are intended for the families of Ukrainian immigrants who suffered from the war and were left with their homes. The products should provide temporary housing for families until they get their main housing. The business model, in addition to the social orientation of the project, provides for earnings from the sale of manufactured products from income from the educational process. Project idea. Above all, the main task is to help the displaced people to continue a peaceful life. The project involves the implementation of original technological solutions in the design and production of mobile residential complexes and budget furniture, creation of full conditions for temporary residence, description of the problem or opportunity. As a result of the war, millions of displaced persons were formed in the regions of Ukraine who lost their possessions. Today, more than 600,000 families need apartments. Taking into account the pace of construction in Ukraine, such a quantity can be built in 5 to 6 years. At this time, families should be provided with temporary mobile housing. Our task is to establish serial production of budget solutions, as well as to create representative offices in the regions for the introduction of mobile housing. Decision. On the basis of our production premises, it is planned to establish serial production of mobile homes and budget furniture. It is planned to equip the houses with everything necessary for living. The project consists of a social part and a business part. The social part envisages the possibility of renting production products and adding a minimum profit of the order of 10% to the cost price. The business model involves coordination with a potential investor and partners, taking into account the profitability of doing business. Market. The general market has hundreds of thousands of damaged and destroyed buildings. Tens of millions of hryvnias can be expected in monetary units. Our realistic intentions are to initially work in 2 regions, Kyiv and Kharkiv. We plan to initially occupy 3 to 4% of the market, as it will take some time to set up serial production. In the future, we plan to significantly expand our presence on the market. For this, we have many years of experience and partners in all regions of Ukraine. The marketing strategy consists in the possibility of close cooperation with the state administrations in cities and participation in the state recovery program. Competitors. Among the competitors, there are the main participants with different technical solutions and equipment. One of the leading market participants is the Polish company of special production for the military. The company supplies modular houses that provide only sleeping places. All services, including toilets, kitchens, and reception, are organized in separate buildings. The American company Continest also supplies mobile huts, which must be equipped with everything necessary for life. Our differences from our competitors consist in the production and supply of mobile homes complete with everything necessary for life. We also expect to present budget solutions. Financial indicators. The cost of production of mobile buildings in the initial stage can be estimated at 270,000 hryvnias, with the possibility of significantly reducing costs in the future. The profit is not large, of the order of 10%. In the first year of production, we plan to produce an average of 30 to 40 buildings per month. This is roughly an annual program of 8 to 10 million hryvnias. In the second year, with the development of serial production, we plan to triple the volume of production, which in monetary equivalent can reach 24 to 30 million hryvnias. Further increases in production volumes will depend on available working capital. All types of expenses will be presented in detail in the business plan. Current situation. It has its own production premises of 3,800 square meters, which is located in the Kyiv region. We plan to reconstruct it and equip it with equipment and tools for production requirements. Staffing and selection of specialists are planned. Negotiations are underway with Polish colleagues on the topic of introducing modern technologies for the production of modular buildings. Samples of kitchen accessories have been ordered in China. A sketch project of a modular house has been developed. Project team. The project team consists of experienced specialists who have significant experience in the organization of serial production, implementation, and organization of logistics. Project manager Serikov Friori, candidate of technical sciences, has experience in managing complex production projects. Marketing is provided by Yulia Zivitska, who has a law degree and also has many years of experience in marketing. Alexander Dobrovolsky, director of the Unitech System Company, who has experience in solving financial issues, deals with finance. An offer to an investor. Above all, we hope for the opportunity of the investor to be our partner and to understand the basic principles of business planning, as well as to take part in the construction of a realistic strategy for profit planning and the attraction of working capital. For such cooperation, it would be expedient to consider the investor's entry into the company's co-founders and to have his representative in the administration. This will make it possible to more optimally solve both prospective and operational business issues, as well as the possibility of business scaling.